Hey everyone, welcome back to Pot's Mama Bear, and yes, we have changed our name. I did a video to explain everything to you guys, but anyways, in this video we are going to try these different vegan foods that we bought from Clark's, and Clark's is a health food store out here in California. But yeah, here is what these burgers look like, and okay, I'm sorry, vegan patties. Here's what they look like. I know some of them look a little weird, but they are made with different things. Here is the Good Seed burger, which we are going to try first. And this is actually a hemp seed burger. And again, all of these are considered superfoods, and we this is what we eat. And these right here are the taquitos, and these are vegan. And then this right here is the chipotle lime crispy fingers. So we are going to try all of these on camera today. So hold on, and I will turn the camera around so then you guys can see me. Okay guys, I am back, and let me take off my glasses because it looks weird. Okay, so here is what I'm having first, and this is actually this one right here, and I hope you guys can see it. I'm sorry, I am filming with my phone. But this is this one right here. It is the hemp seed one. Put it a little bit closer, but I think my light is too bright. I will go ahead and take a picture of all of these boxes for you guys. So what that burger looks like is actually this right here. It actually fell apart when I was cooking it. Yeah. Now, I've never had these before, so this is my first time. That one tastes a little weird. I think because I haven't had this one. It's actually good. Okay. So now I'm going to try this one right here. And hold on just a minute. I think I'm going to turn off my light. Okay, I hope you guys can still see me. So next we are going to try the Garden brand, and this is the chicken fingers. I've had this brand before, but I have not had this one. So we will go ahead and try this one. I think I cooked this one for a little bit too long. Not really spicy. Okay. But you can definitely taste the lime in it. I think the more you chew, a little bit of the spiciness comes out, but not too much. Now we're going to try the taquitos, which is this one right here, and it's beef style, but it is plant-based, which means it's vegan. And again, all of these are at Clark's. And we will see how these ones taste. So these you can actually taste the flavoring better. And these ones, it says that you can put in the oven, the skillet, or the microwave. Hold on just a minute, guys. Okay, guys, I am back. I actually had to go get some water. My camera is a little on the crooked side. Okay, I know it's not much better, but I just want to hurry up and kind of get through these. And yeah. Okay, so the next one we're gonna try is this one right here. This one right here, and it is a kale burger. Oh my gosh, that was my son, and I am so sorry about that. And I'm not really sure if my camera is focused or not because I don't have my glasses on. Okay. So here is the kale burger, and it looks like this. I'm sorry, guys. I have like tons of food on my plate, and I know it would probably look so much better if I had another plate, but I really don't feel like going all the way back out there to the kitchen to get another one. Hey. Okay, so this is what the kale burger looks like, and I did microwave all of these just for the fact that I was trying to save time for the video before it got too late. Hold on, guys, I'm really, really sorry. My son is grabbing everything, and he is just being the best. So hold on really fast. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry about that. So next, like I said, we have the kale burger, and again, this one is from Clark's. So we are going to go ahead and eat that one. We'll take a bite of it anyways. That one is actually really good. It tastes like it has some kind of maybe potato or water chestnuts. Yeah, water chestnuts. That's what I actually tasted. Okay, so now what I'm going to taste is, it's called organic nut burgers. They're vegan, they're gluten and soy free, and no MSG, no, it's got 9 grams of protein, and yeah, so we're going to try that one next, and that one is this one right here, which I really should go get another plate because mine is filled with so much stuff right now. Okay, so that is this one right here. This burger right here. This burger right here. Sorry, I have a little one copying everything that I say. I have some. You want some? I want some. Okay, I'll let you have the first bite. Is it yummy? Why do you? What? Okay. So, again, this is the nut burger. This one's actually a lot different. Oh, yay. She bring me another plate. That one is actually a lot different from the ones that I've tasted before. Sorry guys, I needed something to drink. Okay. So the next one is Hillary's Organic Black Rice Veggie Burgers. It is plant-based. And again, this one was at Clark's. I'm like running out of room in my little corner. And is that focusing? Go that way.
Table.
Okay, there it goes. Okay, so that one looks like this. And we have not tried these ones yet, but we were at Sprouts, and this video wasn't even gonna happen because I wasn't planning on it or anything. And my husband was like, "Oh, let's get a whole bunch of different foods for you to try." So here we are. Okay. I'm sorry, guys, I do not like this one. I'm sorry, that was kind of gross. What is this? So you can use it on a bun, in a salad or a bowl, a wrap, or a taco. This one was not the best one. I'm sorry, Hillary's, but it was a little weird for me. Yeah, my phone again is not focusing. I don't know what's up with it. Okay, there it goes. Okay, so the last burger that or veggie burger I'm gonna try is the shiitake with quinoa and garlic. I know all of the stuff that I'm showing you guys is probably backwards. So yeah, let's just go ahead and try this one and hope this one is a lot better than the other one. I'm sorry, I have two that are fighting right here. Hey, okay, look, you go over there and you come over here. No, please go that way. Okay, I'm sorry, I need to deal with this situation really quick. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry about that. So, again, this one is the shiitake mushroom wing. And I think everybody showed you this, and I think I was already trying to explain to you guys that this one was also at Sprouts. But not Sprouts, I'm so sorry, Clark's. This one right here, or all of the products that I'm showing you is backwards. I know that's what you guys are seeing, is it backwards, but I will show you guys how, I'll take a picture of it and put it in the video. So I'm going to taste this one.
Taste this one.
And I think little Tracy wants to taste it. Is it good? Yeah, it's yummy. Are you just looking at the camera and just nodding your head? Yeah? Okay. So here is, I keep forgetting my glasses on. Okay, so here is the shiitake mushroom burger.
Hi.
Veggie burger. Veggie patty. I'm not really sure what to say anymore because I know back in Mississippi they're banning, and it's against the law for people to call plant-based burgers burgers. You have to call them veggie patties or something like that. I just read it on Google. Actually, in the newsfeed on Google. So, but here you go.
I'm tasting it. 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 I'm tasting it.
This one tastes a whole lot better than this one.
What?
I think, in my opinion. But anyways, guys, so that was our vegan patty / taquito / chicken fingers, vegan chicken fingers video. And we hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you guys do, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so when we upload, you guys know about it. We love you guys so much, and we will see you guys in our next video. Bye.